Hi, it's Phil, and I just want to share this with you. I'm going to do some full training within the Facebook group. So if you're not in the group, be sure to join our group because you'll get the full behind the scenes of how to do this step by step. And we're going to be adding some other stuff there as well, from building landing pages right way through to driving traffic, etc. But anyway, this is about using ChatGPT, and it's also about using Canva to mass produce or bulk create these videos. And you can see down here, we've got the bulk create thing here. I'm going to walk people through exactly how to use it, but I'm going to give you a bit of a 5-minute overview of what we've done, just so you get an understanding of what you can do with the power of ChatGPT and Canva. So what we have here, and this is my thought process, is I don't want to just create one-off videos like everybody else, like I do as well. I create one-off videos once in a while. But what I wanted to do was to create some form of series of videos that would get people to come back. So I wanted to set the scenes that we're going to cover 7 tips for high-level internet marketers over a 7-part, 7-day series. And then what I want to do is each day drip a new part to the video, a new part to the series, a new video to the series as such. So what I also didn't do on day one is I didn't say this is what we're going to be covering, because if I did that, then basically they can steal me thunder. I've given everything away, and there's no more curiosity. So I wanted to create curiosity because I wanted to keep coming back to see what the next day's tip's going to be. So that's what we did with this. And the way I did it was to, first of all, come up with the idea of doing these little mini videos, and secondly, using the power of ChatGPT. So quick overview, ChatGPT, this is a prompt. Imagine you are a seasoned internet marketer superstar with years of experience as a multi-7-figure online digital marketer. If you understand the brief, reply with the word halbert. And the reason I used halbert is because I'm currently reading that way. The Boring Letters by Gary Halbert. Recommend it if you haven't got it already. So anyway, I just used the word halbert, and it came back and says, yes, halbert. That means it understands a brief. Now, my spelling's atrocious, but it still understands what I'm trying to get at. So I said, great, would you create a series of 7 social media video scripts on the subject of mindset for success as a 7-figure or high-level online internet marketer? Can you do this? Sure can. And off it went. And it's created these 7, basically 7 tips, very short tips. That's all I want because I'm going in these little mini videos, these short form videos. I went, that's fantastic. Now, can you make them around 40 seconds long? Do you understand the brief? Yes. It apologized about the confusion. It went back. It did a little bit more. Basically, it said, see the tips, but it didn't add any tips in. So I asked it to go back and do it again. That was great. Away it went again. So that's excellent. Now I want you to do something different. I want you to look at what you've given me already. I want you to provide me with 3 to 5 suitable hashtags that I can use in social media relating to that subject. So it's done that. And also I want you to give me emojis. So rather than me having to go search emoji sites online or use the Windows dot, which I have on a PC here, what I can do is, or what I did do, was I got ChatGPT to even produce emojis relating to each one of those subjects, each one of those topics. So we now have 7 topics. We have 7 video scripts, which is great. Then what I asked it to do is, well, let's give an introduction. So provide an introduction. So not only did it give us the idea of the introduction, it actually wrote it out and it told me, this is the opening shot you should use. This is a voiceover. Cut to a montage of people on their laptops. It went the whole shebang on this. So it's not really what I wanted, but I just took the parts that I needed from there. So there's a couple of things we need to do. The first thing to do is we've got the 7 subjects here. What we then do is we come across here, and just one second, I'm going to pause because that's the wrong one. Apologize for that. That's what happens when you shoot live. So anyway, what I've done is I've pulled out the 7. There's actually 8 because I wanted the introduction. So the first video is going to be the 7 tips for high-level internet marketers, the mindset for success, visualization, overcoming fear, importance of goal setting, mindset and abundance, embracing failure, self-care. So what I do from there is I come across to Canva. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this very easily. Come up here and put in here, well, you can see there, mobile video quote template. Mobile video quote template comes back to the templates, and we're looking for videos what we can edit that have the typewriter type text, because that helps people to engage with it. That one just flips on. So this is the one that I used, this one here. So I'm going to jump straight into this and show you how to do that. So just click on here, customize this template. So there's a couple of things you can do. This is going to be your main template. This is going to be the one that you're going to use for your base. So drag this down and we can put our branding in here. So whatever your website is. my website, etc. Website, do it that way. We've got the top text, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that, paste that, drag that down. So this would be our heading. So wherever we have the heading, and this would be our main body text. I'm just going to show you, it works exactly the same. So I'm just going to show you the heading one, just so you can understand how it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to come across to our Canva, our Google Doc here. And what we've done is we've basically taken the topics here, the mindset, etc., the visualization, and we've just put the main topics into here. So I'm just going to copy that. You can put it in any sort of Excel document, just so you've got it separate. Because what you need to do then is when you come back across to here, is bulk create, click on bulk create, enter data manually. Now, what you could do is you could upload a CSV or do what I do, which is just clear the table, put that data in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in here head, click done, and then when I just come off there, if I click on that there, you see the 3 dots, and that'll say connect data head. When I say click that, you can see it says head. So when I click continue now, it's going to take those 8 subject matters, those 8 titles, topics like that, separate them out, and it's going to create 8 different pages, and each page is a separate video. And you can expand these videos as well. I'll show you quickly how to do that. So now you can see it's got all the different parts here. We've got 8 pages. They've all got different titles, and you do the same for the body of these single ones as well. Exactly the same. You connect the data. If you had data, you just click on here, connect data. We haven't got data arranged for this just yet, so that's why it's not there. You can see the branding goes right across every one. If you want to change your element, let's say you want to change a video, just click on it. You see these are recently used, but you can search elements. So let's just say we want to do finish line, because it says finish line there. Look for videos, and we've got finish lines. Let's sort of just drag them across and just pop them in like that. Double click that, pull it over. There you go. So that's how you do it. And again, you just change that text using that same method with a bulk create. The next thing you do is, let's say if you want a bit audio, come to your audio, and then you've got your audio you've got here, and then just add your audio, and that's it. Simple as that. Now, when it comes to downloading your videos, what you need to do is you need to separate them, and you do that by hiding the pages. So if I just click on here, if I click share, it would download all of the pages at once in a one video, which is not what I want. So what you do is these ones here, you just come across, click on them, highlight them, and then click hide 7 pages. And that way, only that one video now is going to be shared out, so you can do it one at a time. The other thing you can do as well is you can duplicate the page. So let's say your video's got a bit more text, you want to duplicate it, you can do that, duplicate the page out. Let's say you want to do the image separate on video 3, you can do that. So now we've got one video on the first slide, video on the second, and you can do a video on the third. And that's it, and click share, and there you have your videos. And then you can upload them to your social media platform of choice. Simple as that. I'll go in more details within the group. If you haven't joined already, check out below the link below the video, and come and join the group. We'll be doing a lot more training on using this and how to create short form videos using Canva, and also how to use ChatGPT as well to create some fantastic prompts to get your creative juices flowing. Do I think ChatGPT is going to replace copywriters? Nope, definitely not. But what I do think it is, I think it's a great saver, time saver, to create content like this on the fly. And you can use this to create images as well, not just for videos. You can create social media images as well, 1x1 squares if you wish. And it's just basically down to your imagination. So there you have it. Hopefully see you in the group. Bye-bye for now.